So we have just been editing the latest video that's going to go out next weekend. I think, what do we need?
We need an intro.
Use an intro. Okay, so I think of an intro. No, I can't think of anything. Can you?
No.
All right. Well, let's just go straight into the video.
Okay.
Then. And then at the end I'll do an outro.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, in order to break up that hard blocking line, we need to add some of the tree reflection into the sky reflection. So we're going to bring some of those little lines into this blue. And then at the same time, we are going to add some of the sky reflection over the top of the tree. Now, this is all still wet, so we're going to be working wet on wet. I'm going to add the darker tones into the blue first of all, and then we'll go the other way around and add the blue into the tree reflections. Now I'm going to use a mixture of brushes, but the main ones I'm going to use are the Series 1s. This is the Series 1 size 1. As you can see, it's a little bit wider, and this one here is the Series 1, still a rigger brush, but this is the size 5-0. It's just a skinnier brush. We do actually have a 10-0 as well, which is that bit smaller again. Okay, so let's start first of all. So I've mixed up a colour as near to that green as I can, and I'm just painting over the top. I've also added to the colour some linseed oil, so that's going to help the paint lay down over the top of the already wet blue area. So as long as you use just the tip of the brush here, it's a very soft brush also, which helps. And of course you need a little bit of medium, in this case linseed oil. You're not going to disturb too much the colour underneath. Yes, you are going to pick up a little bit of that light blue, but not too much. Okay, so because we have obviously various tones and levels in the riverbed, we need to make sure that we're putting that in the painting as well. So we do need some darker little areas. Okay, so that's now adding the darks into the blue. We're going to reverse that and now add some of the blues into the dark, and that should break that up nicely and stop it looking just like a blocked in area of paint. So we'll do that, then we'll add some of these really lovely highlights on there. Okay, so we've finished with the reflections now. I'm going to start adding these little blips of light that are just on the surface of the water there. Starting in this direction, they sort of move down here, and then we have a larger area just here. So we're going to work on that. I might not do that area because I really like the area under the water there, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's carry on. So all I'm doing now is I'm using the Series 1 again, Series 1 rigger. I've mixed in some linseed oil just with some titanium white. Finito. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a wrap. It's a nice scene, isn't it? I really enjoyed painting that. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it. And actually, this is the first time in a long time that we've put out a video where you get to see all the different aspects. So if you have missed any of the other parts of this video, like the trees or the rocks, just look back over the YouTube videos. They're all going to be there. So I think that's probably everything I wanted to say. We didn't have an intro, but we've had an outro. So there you go. So just as a reminder, I do have an online painting school, and there are hundreds and hundreds of lessons, thousands of hours. And we cover everything from portrait, still life, landscape. We cover everything. They're beginner's lessons, goes right from the beginner right to the advanced. So please check that out. The link is in the description down below. Oh, and actually, just for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to do a discount on that. So keep it to yourself. The link is, we'll put the link here, or the code here, the discount code here, or there will once again be a link in the description below. So I'm going to give you 10% off for the next week. So take advantage of that. Don't tell anyone. Keep it to yourself. I think that's everything. All the paints and brushes that I've used in this video are also available in my store. Once again, link down below. Okay, right. Well, I'll see you in the next video, which should be in half a week or so. We're trying to be more regular with the videos at the moment. All right. See you soon.